After a 2-year absence, the Orange County Auto Show is back in full force. If you didn't get a chance to check it out, here's a small sample of what was on display at the Anaheim Convention Center. One of the biggest deals at the Orange County Show is this new Nissan Aria. It's Nissan's first electric SUV, and it's promising in many ways. The interior is well thought out and has an uncluttered look. The new Aria has a hands-free driving program called ProPilot 2, and it has an overall driving range of about 300 miles. Another highlight of this year's show is the Ford Bronco Raptor. The Raptor version of the Bronco is an ultra-capable off-roader with features like 37-inch all-terrain tires, a twin-turbo V6 making 418 horsepower, and it's connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced on-demand four-wheel drive system. Other Ford vehicles on display include the Mustang Mach-E, Ford F-150 Lightning, and Ford's ultra-capable Super Duty pickups. The Toyota display is impressive and has lots of variety. There's everything from the new hybrid Toyota Tundra to the TRD Sequoia to inexpensive cars like the Corolla, as well as popular family cars like the Camry. Hybrids are the best way to save money on commuting costs right now, and Toyota has plenty of hybrids. The RAV4 Prime is the perfect combination of an electric vehicle with the range and convenience of a gasoline-powered car. This small SUV gets the equivalent of 94 miles per gallon and can go 40 miles on electricity alone. Plus, Orange County Auto Show attendees are among the first in the country to see in person the new Toyota Crown. This car has a 340 horsepower hybrid all-wheel drive powertrain, and it's a sedan with an elevated driving position. For those curious about the new crop of electric cars, Auto Show attendees can ride in one. At the Jeep area, there's a lot more to do than just look at new trucks. You can go for a ride. Nice! Potential Jeep buyers can see how several Jeep models will handle rough terrain thanks to the Camp Jeep demonstration area. Professional 4x4 drivers take passengers on a thrilling, interactive adventure along an off-road test track featuring an 18-foot, 35-degree hill climb, three-wheeling over Camp Jeep's trail-rated pass, and more. In addition to the off-road display, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer and plug-in hybrid versions of the Grand Cherokee 4xe are here. And speaking of off-roading, the new Hummer EV is here, as well as a host of other vehicles from Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Lexus, Ram, and Volkswagen. Maybe now is the time to plan an in-person visit for next year.